Welcome to Nirguna Academy. So in previous video we discussed about numericals of electricity chapter. First problem we discussed in the examples given in the textbook. So next we will discuss about numericals of electricity of example 2. That example is based on what? Potential difference, right? So first, what is the potential difference? Means the work done to move a unit charge. Work done to move a unit charge from one place to the other place is called as a potential difference. For example, here one charge is there here. Okay? Yeah. So here one charge is there. Means charge have to move from A point to the B point. So the charge have to move from A point to the B point. How much energy is required to move from here to here? This only is known as what? Potential difference. So that is only called as what? Work done to move a unit charge from one place to the other place is known as what? Potential difference. Right? This is only potential difference. So sorry. Question is what? How much work is done? How much work is done? Moving a charge. Moving of how much charge? 2 coulomb of charge. Already we know that the SI unit of charge is what? Coulomb is there. How many charges are there? 2 charges are there. To move 2 coulomb of charge, how much energy is required? Across 2 points. Let me discuss one point to the other point. So having potential difference how much? 12 volt. So if 2 charges are moving from one place to the other place, so potential difference is required how much? 12 volt. Then how much energy is required? You understand, right? So what is the first? Charge symbol is Q, and how much charge we are given? 2 coulomb of charge already assigned. So SI unit of charge is what? Coulomb is there, and potential difference V is equal to 12 volt. They are given here, correct? So we know that the potential difference formula V is equal to W by Q, correct? V is equal to what? W by Q is the formula of potential difference, right? So we are knowing Q, we are knowing V, but we don't know the W, right? You have to cross multiply this one, and this equation will become W is equal to V into Q, right? This is now equation will become, actually our equation is what? V is equal to W by Q, and we are knowing Q value, we are knowing V value, but we don't know the value of W. So interchange the formula, W is equal to V into Q. So here substitute the value, W is equal to, so what is V value here? Potential difference 12 volt, and so charge is how much? 2 is there. 2 12 is how much? 24. 24. Here work done is always represented as a which unit? Joule. So here 24 joules of energy is required to move what? 2 coulomb of charge. How much energy is required to move 2 coulomb of charge? Potential difference how much? 12 volt, means it is the 24 joules. Right? Again we can remember here potential difference, SI unit of potential difference is what? Volt. Right? So and it is denoted by which letter? V letter. Correct? This is about the numerical section of electricity chapter 2nd. So in next video we will discuss about next numerical of these sections. So for that you can stay tuned with my channel and you can share with your friends. Thank you.